Okay, right now I'm going to unbox my brand new Paul Evans top sneakers. Now, I already have a pair of Paul Evans dress shoes. I bought the Oxblood Oxfords, and I've never had compliments on a dress shoe before until I bought those. I do a lot of trade shows. A lot of people see me on the trade show floor, and every time I'm walking, there's always somebody that stops me and says, "Oh, there's some nice looking shoes." So if you're looking for a shoe that pops, I highly recommend the Paul Evans in Oxblood. Probably any style in Oxblood. Just looks great with a suit, looks great with jeans. I love it. So I was so excited because they also have sneakers. And I thought, you know what? Let me get a pair of sneakers. I'll unbox them because I haven't seen the unboxing yet on YouTube and see how they look. All right, so we'll open the box. Of course, in Paul Evans style, they put them in a nice Paul Evans shoebox. I like that when they spend the extra money on stuff like that. A shoe bag, which I also got with my dress shoes. Now with the dress shoes, I also got a shoe horn. I see you don't get those with the tennis shoes, but that's okay. All right. Now these shoes, you order out of New York, Paul Evans, but they're made in Italy. All right, let's see. Take them out. Put one out here. It's wrapped up nice. Let's see how it looks. Oh my, that is a beautiful sneaker. I can tell already that when I wear these, I'm also going to get compliments. These are going to be for, you know, after events and stuff where people have to see me looking good. Let's see, get the other one out. Perfect. And what I'll do, oh man, it smells great, looks great. What I'll do an edit here and I will try them on and I'll walk around them for a day or two. I won't do the video right away because I don't think it's fair just to put on a shoe, walk around one time in wet leather is comfortable. It's got to kind of form, especially this Italian leather, it starts to form around your foot. Oh, look at that, nice, I don't know if you can see that's a nice Paul Evans detail inside. But as of right now, I can tell you, I'm so excited to be wearing these. I'll put a link to Paul Evans, and if you go to their site and you sign up for their emails, you get $50 off your first pair of shoes. So something to keep in mind. I love saving money, but I also want to look really good, and I want a lot of compliments, and that's what I'm looking for, and so far Paul Evans has delivered. Let me walk around for a few days and I'll add to the video and I'll tell you exactly how comfortable or uncomfortable they were, but hopefully they'll be comfortable. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, I walked around the house for about a day in the Paul Evans and they really have broken in nice. They're real comfortable. It took a little bit to break them in, I think, because of the nice Italian leather. And I'm going to give you a couple tips. First of all, you'll notice that there is no laces showing on these shoes. I hate the look of laces. They make a shoe look frumpy, and you want the shoe to look exactly the way you've seen it on display in the store. So I bought these. These are called lace anchors, and I'm sure there's other brands of them, lace anchors. And what they do is they anchor your laces, see in here, inside the shoe. Once you get them set, they're a little knacky, I gotta be honest, at first, to loosen and tighten, but you gotta find that perfect feel. And once you have that, they'll lock them in, and look how clean that looks. No laces sticking out. It just is a better, cleaner, more sophisticated look. And another little tip I'll give you when you get Paul Evans, whether there's the sneakers or the dress shoes, I highly recommend laying down a towel or a blanket to try your shoes on and walk around in them. That way you know they fit, and if they don't fit, you're not ruining the bottom of the shoes and get like a $25 restocking fee because they've been worn. So there are ways around to make sure the shoe fits without really putting any wear and tear on the shoe. So you have that 365-day return policy with Paul Evans, and you don't want to have to mess that up. But if you're going to buy dress shoes, again, always buy one size smaller. Sneakers are almost the exact size. I feel like they're a half size bigger in the tennis shoe, but I just go with my exact size was 11. I went with the 11 on the sneakers, and they seem to fit fine. In the dress shoes, I went with 10. And they fit really good. So those are my tips for the Paul Evans. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. And good luck if you order a pair of Paul Evans.